How's it going, everyone? I'm Mike and welcome back to Crypto Moon, and today we are going to talk about another project called CoinDCX. But before we start, please notice our disclaimer, since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. So without further ado, let's start. India's safest cryptocurrency exchange is now India's first crypto unicorn. CoinDCX has been committed to making cryptocurrency accessible to the Indian audience with simpler, secure, and compliant solutions. CoinDCX is making crypto accessible. CoinDCX is India's safest crypto exchange, with a dedicated focus on making crypto accessible. Established in 2018, CoinDCX has solved numerous problems faced by the Indian crypto community with investing and trading solutions for crypto-based financial products for retail, HNI, and enterprise customers. CoinDCX, India's safest and simplest crypto investment app, also has CoinDCX Pro, advanced product for crypto traders. Prime enterprise product for assisted investment in crypto baskets. DCX Learn, Crypto/Blockchain Academy. For free education. CosmX, global trading platform giving access to 1/3 RD of global liquidity. Our values, simple, we take pride in our ability to create user experiences that are simple no matter the complexity of the underlying technology. Safe, our team constantly audits and builds upon existing protocols to ensure that our security is up to date and of international standards. Compliant, CoinDCX's culture of compliance has enabled us to be one of the pioneers in India to implement crypto AML monitoring via Onfido. Invest and grow your cryptocurrency portfolio. Reasons to invest in cryptocurrencies in 2021. Buying Bitcoin is legal. The Supreme Court judgment turned in favor of Indian investors, making investing in cryptocurrency legal. Growing alternate asset class trusted by 70+ traders, major banks, institutional and renowned investors, and hedge funds. High return potential. Bitcoin became the most lucrative choice of investment, delivering a whopping 300% plus returns in 2020. CoinDCX was fast and simple. Start investing in under 10 minutes, easy deposit and withdrawals, quickly add and withdraw funds to your bank account. Safe and secure, world-class security features ensure your investments are in safe hands. Get started in 3 steps. 1. Create an account. Sign up with your email and mobile in just 5 minutes. Add funds to wallet. Quickly add money to your CoinDCX investment wallet. Start investing in crypto. Buy and sell a variety of top coins at the best prices. Security above everything, insured by BitGo. All funds are insured to give you complete safety. Deep encryption. All data is encrypted to secure your passwords and personal data. Safe and secure. 95% of all funds on CoinDCX are stored in multi-sig cold wallets. CoinDCXOTC, large trades with private and personalized services, safe and smooth deposits and withdrawals for large crypto orders worth $40,000 and above, better prices than exchanges. Locked Pricesto, minimize risk. Why us? One-on-one service, direct access to a professional trading broker. Locked prices to avoid risks, minimize the risks normally associated with high-volume trading. Safe and secure, leverage the largest liquidity. How it works. 1. Onboarding. Sign up on CoinDCX. The OTC desk manager will verify your request and get in touch with you. 2. Fund deposit. Deposit sufficient funds, INR or crypto, in your CoinDCX wallet to ensure successful order execution. 3. Settlement. The OTC desk manager will find a matching trade and execute your order. Terms and eligibility. Get started. The minimum order size is 40,000 USDT or 30,000,000, whichever is lesser. If the decided price is within 0.2% of the bid and ask price, the order will be executed using the order book. If the price is outside this boundary, the order will be executed using a specialized OTC swap. Maximum volume which can be executed using the order book is 100,000 USDT, for USDT/INR only. Eligibility for OTC trading is subject to AML KYC and other requirements. We will use specialized OTC swap for all BTC/INR and ETH/INR deals and for volume above 100,000 USDT in USDT/INR. Our founders. Neeraj Khandelwal, co-founder, CoinDCX and alumni of IIT Bombay and the co-founder of CoinDCX, has been instrumental in building some of the most revolutionary products in cryptocurrency trading, namely futures, margin, land, staking, and others that can be scaled into a profitable business. He aims to solve problems by enhancing financial systems with the help of blockchain and crypto technology. Sumit Gupta, the CEO, CoinDCX. An alumni of IIT Bombay, the co-founder and CEO of India's safest cryptocurrency exchange and liquidity aggregator. When Bitcoin began gaining traction in 2014, Sumit saw the potential of leveraging blockchain technology to enable financial inclusion. He actualized this vision by founding CoinDCX, which is India's safest cryptocurrency exchange. Here are the achievements of CoinDCX. CoinDCX earned a Great Place to Work and Tech Startup of the Year Entrepreneur Awards. Traxon, an elite list of unicorns in India 2021 by Traxon. And the next hottest product by Amplitude. Also backed by the best investors, Coinbase Ventures, Bain Capital Ventures and Polychain Capital, and BitMEX. Now let's go visit the CoinDCX Twitter page, APY-DX, staking lending. Confusion high? Space's main solution high. On of May 5th, CoinDCX joined Twitter back on February 2018, currently has 221.8k followers. And that's all on CoinDCX. Come visit our channel, hit that subscribe button for more updates on CryptoMoon. Thank you for watching.